Follow along as I upcycle this piece to something unique. Firstly, I cleaned it all down and I sanded it back, or did a scuff sand, and then I did one coat of primer before applying the plaster. As you can see, I am using my spatula and filling in the existing groove. Then I moved on to the sides and I found this a little bit more challenging, as it did have that lip up the top there, so I had to apply a lot more plaster in that area. I worked crossways and then in lengthways, just to try to even out the plaster the best I could. I ended up applying 2 coats of the plaster and I sanded in between. Now for the shapes, I used MDF rounds, and I find that using tape to cut prior helps tremendously. I use larger MDF round circles that I'd cut in half as well, and I placed them center, as you can see here, and I glued them down using liquid nails. I had pre-painted all the rounds and I laid them on a flat lay just to get my design, in order to see if I was happy with that before I actually glued them all down with the liquid nails again, as you can see. Once the glue was dry after adding the shapes, I then did a coat of paint, and I also did 2 coats of clear sealer for extra protection. I ended up adding in some legs just to create more of a design for this piece. Here's the before and here's the after.